Remove the stock bar and weights. Match the diameter of the threaded nut to that of the bolt of Eclipse. In case it's small, increase the size of the threaded nut to fit the bolt of Eclipse. Check your handle for any opening to relay the wire. If not, drill one. Use a stiff copper wire to guide the wire of Eclipse. Repeat the same procedure on the other side of the handle. Rotate the Eclipse anti-clockwise to unwind the wire. This is to reduce tension on the wire. Bolt on the Eclipse without tightening it. Connect the wires to their respective sockets without hampering the stock wiring. Check if all the connections are accurate. To tighten Eclipse, use a rubber tube or a thick cloth.